So once again, welcome everyone. This is the part 2 in which I solved the Codeforces Round 1028 Division 2 problems. So now here we solve the part A, which is named, Jellyfish and the Tricolor Pansy. So here the question in the front of you. You can just pause the screen and read it. Uh, okay. So here's the question. You can pause the video and can read. And here are the input and outputs of the question. So first of all, we just discuss the question that what question says. So question is basically I can explain you the four integers, which is A, B, C, D, suppose. Here the five is the test cases, how many test cases in the question. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 100, 99, 1, 1. Suppose 1 is A, 2 is B, 3 is C, and 4 is D. So A is basically a jellyfish health. Okay, just assume it. And B is a jellyfish night's health. Then we can see that C equal to flower health, suppose, and D equals to flower night's health. So after that, what rule says, jellyfish moves on a odd turn, and the flower moves on a even turn. And jellyfish, nights is equal to C. Oh, sorry, flower health equal to C, and flower night's health equal to D. Just remember it. Okay, so after that, we can see that attack the opponent directly reduces their health by 1. Okay, and attack the opponent knight reduces its health by 1. Sorry. So what is our goal? So our goal is to find out who wins if the both plays optimally, which means the trying to win as fast as possible. That's question 6. And what is the key idea behind to solve this problem is, so see, if a jellyfish attacks a flower directly every time, it takes C moves to defeat the flower, and but flowers can delay by attacking a jellyfish knights first to protect themselves. So a jellyfish must also reduces the flower's knight HP first to just defeat the flower. And so as you compare, jellyfish speed is killing flowers after dealing with the flower knights, versus flower speed is killing jellyfish after dealing with the jellyfish knight. Then the question is just attacking on our mind power, that how we just assume the question in various ways. The logic is the if A plus B combines is greater than C plus D, then jellyfish wins. And if A plus B combines is less than C plus D, then flower wins. And if the both is equals, then we can say the game is draw. So this is because of the players with a higher total HP, own HP plus her knight HP can survive a longer and a win. So here are the my submission which I'll submitted in the yesterday. Okay, so let's see the question solution. So in here we can just pull out the header file in the compiler. After that I use data type long for the LL, and after just writing end main, I just use these two things. Basically these two things have a work to just move a fast solution and have a tendency to just to make a code in the fast, just run in a faster way. After that I make a data type q. In data type q, I make a variable of name q, uh, which is an integer, and just input it, and then allowed a while loop in the queue. Whenever queue reduces, it just take an inputs. These are the inputs A, B, C, D. In the further, I think in the I can say that you can just assume the A, B, C, D in the input base. After that, we just input the scene A, B, C, D, and applies the condition of a if else. So if you just understand these topics, you just have a clear in the mind that what the question says and what we need to apply in the question. So firstly, we can see that if the A, in the question, the first test case, we can see the 1, 2, 3, 4. So if the A is a greater than B or equals to B, or B is a smaller or equal to C, then we can set the jellyfish here is the winner. And after that, we can just apply the condition of a else if. In the condition else if, we just allowed that if the D is greater than A, so in the first condition 4 is greater than 1, so here the winner is flower. And then allowed one more condition, which is the more important. If the C is greater than equal to D, then jellyfish wins. Basically you need to understand the condition of if and else. That's then you can just have a clear approach to solve this problem. And the last case, see out flower. If they don't work, suppose if the say is not greater than equals to d, then we can say flower wins. And I think in the test, sorry, in the output, they are the two flower winners. And you can just see the questions and see when you see the inputs and output, you can just already assume that what happens in the code. And yes, that's it from my side. Okay, let me say the next part of this series. Okay, so bye.